Fourth Sunday of Easter, Good Shepherd Sunday. We must be in reality what we claim to be. In today's Gospel reading, Jesus refers to them 3 times as thieves, robbers, strangers, since they used all kind of trickery to influence the people and exploit them for their own profit. Jesus compares them to those cattle thieves who enter the sheepfold by devious means instead of passing through the door. In contrast to them, everything he did, his healing, his welcome of sinners, his teaching, was candidly performed in the open, like a shepherd who fetches his sheep by passing by the doorkeeper and the door of the fold. Please like and subscribe.